Look at this mix. And this is how it looks like. Wow, looks pretty. Hola amigos, I'm Ulises Cruz and today we're gonna make some muffins. Yeah, blueberry muffins. Also, if you don't have blueberries, you can use other kind of fruit. Fresh, frozen, or dry fruit. It's no big deal. If it's your first time, welcome to Plant-Based Masterpiece. I'm Ulises and right now it's for muffins. What kind of ingredients I'm going to use? 1 cup of sifted all-purpose flour, half cup of nut milk, any kind of nut milk, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup or other sweetener. Also, this is optional, walnuts. It's like 2 or 3 tablespoons of walnuts. You can add it on the toppings or also in the mix. Half teaspoon of grapeseed oil, same portion with baking powder. What about baking soda? Half teaspoon baking soda, cinnamon, and also sea salt. So thank you for playing this video, and it's time to make our delicious muffins. Look at this. And wow, voila. So it's time to make it. Just make sure that there are no big pieces of flour in there. Keep cleaning your flour. So amigos, you know how to do this. I'm pretty sure that you know how to clean your flour. Just make sure that there are no big pieces of flour in there. Mix all dry ingredients first all the time. Baking powder, cinnamon, baking soda, and your sea salt. I quickly stir. And also amigos, if you're gonna add some nuts, I recommend you just break down a little bit. Also, if you add it into your mix, because if you're adding on toppings, don't do that. Da-da-dee, da-da-da. I'm gonna save a little for the toppings. Just mix all together very well. Alright. Maple syrup. What else? Grapeseed oil. And our nut milk. Mix all together. And why not for blueberries? Look at this mix. Wow. Amigos, just make sure don't overmix, please. Just give a couple mix. But make sure there is no dry flour in there. Make sure. My trail. Oil. Da-da-dee. Just bring down everything. This is a good way. You can use your spatula. So it's time to preheat my oven. I say 20 to 25 minutes, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That's missing something. Everything is in there. So look at this, and it's time to bake them. So amigos, how to know when your muffins are ready? So just make sure you use 1 toothpick. How do you say, pinch or pick them? Yeah, do that. And when you're bringing out, your toothpick should be completely dry. Another way to know is come here. Is making sure that your just make sure that your muffins are golden brown. Golden brown. All completely. That's other easy way to know. If you don't have toothpicks, so also, but I repeat again, just pick them, and if it's dry, it's ready. Just let them cool. So amigos, it's almost 25 minutes. Actually 27 minutes. I won't lie. But just make sure when you're cooking or baking your muffins, make sure those are golden brown on the top, and also you can use one toothpick and pick them. And also when you bring out, and you should, make sure that this too dry or is dry, there is no moisture. That is the best way to know if it is really good cooked. Right now it's almost golden brown. Just figure out the color, try to don't burn them, and this is how it looks like. Wow, looks pretty. Just let them cool. Just let them cool, and it's time to serve it. Did you see how easy it is to cook some muffins? So, amigos, thank you for staying until this part of the video. If you like this video, please give me one thumb up. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, why don't subscribe? I'll leave you the recipe below. I hope you get it. I made it this very easy. It's gonna take it no more than half hour. The most important, play with your creativity and make your own muffins. Share love and share muffins. Wow, those are incredible. Those are amazing. Look at this. Da-da-dee, da-da-da, da-da-dee.